Abs don't just build in the gym. They build in your room, your grind, and your consistency. Today, I'll show you a killer core workout you can do right at home. No equipment needed. All you need is your own body weight and 10 minutes of dedication. Let's begin with exercise 1, plank hold. Keep your back straight, engage your abs, and hold strong for 30 seconds. Feel that burn? That's your core waking up. Exercise 2, mountain climbers. Bring your knees to your chest. Keep the pace quick but controlled. This move torches fat and builds endurance. Exercise 3, flutter kicks. Lie down. Keep your legs straight and alternate up-down kicks. Don't let your feet touch the ground. Control is everything. Exercise 4, Russian twists. Twist from side to side. Keep your core tight. Each rep is carving those obliques. Exercise 5, leg raises. Slow and steady. Feel your lower abs working hard. Don't cheat. Your future abs are watching you. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times for a solid 10-minute core workout that builds strength, stability, and definition. All from home. Remember, results don't come from fancy gyms. They come from discipline and consistency. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more workouts and fitness videos.